How is it possible that two people can book the same flight, sit right next to each other, and one pays $300 while the other pays $1,200? Yeah, let that sink in for a second, because today I'm about to expose 7 airport secrets that airlines, airports, and even travel agents hope you never figure out. And trust me, by the end of this video, you're not just going to travel smarter, you're going to feel like you've been getting played your whole life. And real quick, stay till the end because I'm going to give you one simple trick that could literally save you hundreds of dollars on your very next flight, and most people completely ignore it. All right, let's get into it. Secret number 1, and this one is kind of sneaky. Airlines are tracking you. Yeah, I know that sounds a little creepy, but hear me out. Have you ever searched for a flight, saw a price, then came back later and suddenly it's more expensive? You're like, wait, what just happened? Nah, that's not random. Airlines and booking sites use cookies and tracking tech to see that you are interested, and boom, prices go up. It's psychological pressure. They want you to panic and book fast. But here's the trick smart travelers use. Always search flights in incognito mode, or better yet, switch devices. Suddenly, those price increases magically disappear. Yeah, they don't want you knowing that. Now, secret number 2, and this one might actually annoy you. Boarding zones? Yeah, kind of fake. I mean, they exist, but not for the reason you think. Airlines don't board people efficiently, they board people strategically. It's all about control and perception. You feel special when you're in zone 1, right? Like, oh yeah, I'm important. Meanwhile, the plane still leaves at the same time. And here's the crazy part. Sometimes boarding later is actually better. Less waiting, less stress, and you still get to your seat. Unless you're fighting for overhead bin space, you're not missing anything. They just don't want you realizing that their priority system is mostly psychological. Alright, now secret number 3, and this one is huge if you travel even once a year. Airlines overbook flights. On purpose. Yeah, it's not a mistake, it's business. They know some people won't show up, so they sell more tickets than seats. But sometimes everyone shows up, and that's when things get interesting. Because if you ever hear them ask for volunteers to give up their seat, do not jump immediately. Wait, watch. The offer keeps going up. Vouchers, hotel stays, sometimes even cash. I've seen people get $800, $1,000 just to take a later flight. Imagine getting paid to be late. Crazy, right? Now let's talk about something they really don't advertise. Secret number 4, airport Wi-Fi. Yeah, it's free, but it's also one of the easiest ways to get your data stolen. I'm not trying to scare you, but public networks are a playground for hackers, and most people just connect without thinking. Checking emails, logging into bank accounts, big mistake. If you travel a lot, use a VPN, or just stick to mobile data for anything important, because the last thing you want is your vacation turning into a security nightmare. Okay, now, secret number 5, and this one feels almost unfair. Not all seats are released at once. Yeah, when you book a flight and see limited seat options, that's not always reality. Airlines hold back seats for elite members, last-minute upgrades, or even operational reasons. So if you didn't get a good seat the first time, keep checking. Seats open up all the time, especially 24 hours before departure. That's when upgrades shift, people cancel, and suddenly, boom, better options. Secret number 6, and this one might change how you pack forever. Airport security rules, not always consistent. Yeah, you might breeze through one airport with your bag, then get stopped at another for the exact same thing. It's not just about rules, it's about interpretation. Different officers, different enforcement. So here's the smart move. Always follow the strictest version of the rules, because I got through last time doesn't mean anything. And arguing, yeah, that never ends well. Now, before I drop the final secret, I want you to think about this. How many times have you trusted the system without questioning it? How many times have you just assumed that's just how airports work? Because what I'm about to tell you next might be the one thing that saves you the most money. Secret number 7, and this is the one airlines really hope stays quiet. The best time to book flights is not random, it's calculated. Tuesdays and Wednesdays usually cheaper. Early morning or late night bookings, sometimes better deals. But here's the real trick. Don't just book once and forget. Track your flight. Prices drop all the time, and if you booked with the right airline or platform, you can actually rebook at a lower price or get credit. Yeah, most people never check again, and that's exactly what airlines are counting on. And now, here's that suggestion I told you about at the start, the one almost nobody uses. Ready? Stop being loyal to one airline. Yeah, I know, people love sticking to their favorite, but loyalty can cost you money, real money. Instead, compare everything, every time. Flights, baggage policies, timing, because the smartest travelers aren't loyal. They're strategic, and that one mindset shift alone can save you thousands over time. So here's my question for you. Which of these secrets shocked you the most? Or better yet, have you ever experienced something weird at an airport that didn't make sense at the time? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one, and trust me, your story might help someone else avoid a big mistake. And if this opened your eyes even a little, share this with someone who travels, because once you see these tricks, you can't unsee them.